Use a simultaneous equation. We are going to solve more examples. We mentioned in the first class that simultaneous equation can be solved using the substitution method and the elimination method. So we want to consider more examples with our simultaneous equation. Solve the pair of equation now. We have an exponential equation, 2 raised to power x plus power 2y equals to 1. Then 3 raised to power 2x plus power y equals to 27. So we want to make this now an exponential equation. So that will change the 2 raised to power x plus power 2y equals to 1 and 3 raised to power 2x plus power y equals to 27. So for the first one, 2 raised to power x plus power 2y be equal to 2 raised to power 0. So that becomes an exponential equation. So when the numbers are equal, the power will be equal. The other one will be 3 raised to power 2x plus power y equals to 3 raised to power 3. So we can then have that since the numbers are equal, we can come back with equation 1 as x plus 2y equals to 0. Equation 1, 2x plus y equals 0. Equation 2. So we want to use the elimination method. So you multiply equation 2 by 2 so that we can then eliminate y. So 2x times 2 gives us 4x, y times 2 gives us 2y, 3 times 2 gives us 6, equation 3. So subtract, they're having the same sign I said earlier. Subtract equation 1 from equation 3. Equation 1 from equation 3. That means I'm writing equation 3 first, then take away equation 1. 4x minus x, 2y minus 2y equals to 6 minus 0. So y is eliminated. 2y minus 2y is 0. So 4x minus x will give us 3x. 6 minus 0 is 6. So now divided by the coefficient of x, 3x divided by 3, 6 divided by 3. So x equals to 2. So substitute 2 for x in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 2y equals to 0. So when x is 2, 2 plus 2y equals to 0. 2y equals to 0 minus 2. So divided by the coefficient of y, 2y divided by 2 minus 2 divided by 2. So y equals to minus 1. So when x equals to 2, y equals to minus 1. Now we want to do one linear, one quadratic equation. So one linear equation, one quadratic equation. Now we are using substitutional method. We change the linear equation into making one of the variables subject of the formula. So the equation is solve the pair of equation, which is 3x raised to power 2 minus 4y equals to minus 1. That's the quadratic equation. Then 2x minus y equals to 1. So we want to make y the subject of the formula. So y will be what? 2x minus 1. That will be equation 3, which we are going to substitute into the quadratic equation. So we are going to come up with two sets of values for x and y respectively. So we have that substituting 2x minus 1 for y in equation 1. Equation 1 is the quadratic equation. So we have it 3x squared minus 4y equals to minus 1. So substituting 2x minus 1 for y, we have 3x squared into bracket minus 4 minus into bracket minus 4 into bracket 2x minus 1 equals to minus 1. When you open it, the minus will multiply. If minus 4y will multiply what is inside the bracket. So you have a 3x squared minus 8x minus times minus equals plus 4y. And this y comes into the equation to change it to plus. So you have this equation. So you then have 3x squared minus 8x plus 5 equals to 0. So you can then solve this one now, this quadratic equation, by method of factorization. And what are the factors? 3 minus 3 and minus 5 to give us minus 8. So I have 3x squared minus 3x minus 5x plus 5 equals to 0. Then we can group it into 2 and then factorize. So what are the factors common? 3x is common to the first group, and that have x minus 1 bracket. Minus 5 is common to the 2. We have x minus 1 bracket close equals to 0. So since they are equal, x minus 1, I can pick anyone. So I pick x minus 1, then 3x minus 5 equal to 0 in the bracket. So bracket x minus 1 bracket close, 3x minus 5 bracket close. So I can then solve for each of the ones inside the bracket. So x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 0 plus 1 because when it's most equal to 1, 0 plus 1, so x is 1. Then the other side, 3x minus 5 equals to 0, so 3x minus 5 equals to 0. 3x equals to 0 plus 5, that's 5. 3x equals to 5, so x is equal to 5 over 3. So I've substituted those two values for x in the equation. Substitute 1 and 5 over 3 for x in equation 3. Since I've made y the solution to the formula in equation 3, so I have it as y equals to 2x minus 1. So when x is 1, 2 into bracket x now is 1, 2 into bracket 1 minus 1. So 2 times 1, 2 minus 1. So y is 1. Then the other one, 2x. Now, when x is now 5 over 3, so 2 into bracket 5 over 3, bracket close minus 1. That's 10 over 3 minus 1. So 10 over 3, I just find the LCM 3. Then this over 1, 3, 3 1 times 10, 10, 3, 3 times 1, 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7 over 3. So y is 7 over 3, which is two whole number, 1 over 3. So you have two sets of value. When x is 1, y is 1. Or when x is 5 over 3 is 1 whole number 2 over 3. When x is 1 whole number 2 over 3, y is 2 whole number 1 over 3. Guys, 2 number 1 over 3. So word problems? Two word problem. 7 cups and 8 plates cost 1,750 naira. 8 cups and 7 plates cost 1,700 naira. Calculate the cost of a cup and of a plate. So we can use that now. We turn it to a simultaneous to an equation, two linear equations that can be solved simultaneously. So 7 cups. So let me use this. Okay, don't let me represent 7 cups plus 8 plates with 1,750 naira. Then 8 cups plus 7 plates is 1,700 naira. So to eliminate one of them, I'll have to multiply. So I want to eliminate the plates. So I will just equation 1 times 7, equation 2 times 8. So 7 times 7 cups will give us 14. 9 cups. 7 times 8 plates will give us 56 plates. 7 times 1,750 will give us 12,750 equation 3. Then using 8 to multiply the other one, 8 times 8 will give us 64 cups. 8 times 7 will give us 76 plates. Then 7 times that will give us 8 times 1,700 will give us 13,600. So since they are of the same sign, subtract equation 3 from equation 4. Equation 3 from 4, so 64 cups minus 49 cups plus 56 plates minus 56 plates equals to 13,600 minus 12,225. So 15 cups will give us 1,350 naira. So divided by the coefficient, the number of cups. So a cup will now be what? 1,350 naira divided by 15. So a cup is 900 naira. So we substitute that for cup in equation 1. So 7 cups plus 8 plates will give us 1,750 naira. Since a cup is 90 naira, so 7 times 90 will give us 630 naira plus 8 plates equals to 1,760 naira. 8 plates now will give us 1,750 naira minus 630 naira. So when you subtract that, we're having 120 naira. So for 8 plates, so a plate will now be 1,120 naira divided by 8, and a plate will go for 140 naira. So the cost of a cup is 90 naira and a plate is 140 naira. Another one, the figure shown below is an equilateral triangle. That is, all the sides are equal with the lengths of its side given in terms of A and B. Find A and B, and hence find the length of the sides of the triangle. So let's see the diagram. So these are the triangle equilateral, the line showing us that all the sides are equal. So side one of the side is 4A centimeter, the other side is 3B centimeter, the third side is A plus B plus 3 centimeters. So we have it. Since they told us that the sides are equal, they are equal. So I can just pick 2 and make it an equation, pick the other 2 and make an equation. I can pick anyone. I can pick the first and the last as well. The first and the last as well to get another equation, but I'll pick this and this. That's 4a minus 4a equals to 3b. So it will move to the other side. 4a minus 3b equals to 0, equation 1. Then I'll pick these 2. So I have it a plus b plus 3 equals to 3b. So collecting the like terms, I have 3b coming in and then plus 3 coming there minus to change to minus. So 3b you subtract, and then you have this a plus 2b equals to minus 3. So substituting that, I have those 2 minus. So I have this equation a minus 2b equals to minus 3. So I have this 4a minus 3b equals to 0, equation 1. Then a minus 2b equals to minus 3, equation 2. So then I have those 2 to eliminate b. Now I multiply equation 1 by 2 and I multiply equation 2 by 3. So multiplying equation 1 by 2, that will give me 6. 2 times 4 will give me 8a minus 6b equals to 0. Then the other equation will give me 3a minus 6b equals to minus 9. So 8a minus 6b equals to 0, equation 3. And 3a minus 6b equals to minus 9, equation 4. So since they have the same sign, I will just use was subtract equation 4 from equation 3, which will give me 3a, 8a minus 3a equals to minus 6b, minus and minus will change to plus. So b will be eliminated completely. So it will be 0 minus 9, that will be plus. So 0 plus 9. So 5a equals to 9. So a will now be what? 9 over 5. So which is one number 4 over 5 centimeters. There's b. Substituting one number 4 over 5 for a in equation 1 will now give me 4a minus 3b equals to 0. And then will give us, this is now 9 over 5, because 5 times 1, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 over 5. So I have that. We giving me this, that's 36 over 5. 4 times 9, 36 over 5. So it moves to the other side of the equation. Minus 3b will now be equal to 0 minus 36 over 5. So divided by the coefficient, minus 3b equals to minus 36 over 5 divided by the coefficient of b. So b will be minus 36 over 5 divided by minus 3b. And this will cancel to give us 12. B equals to 12 over 5. So b would have be 2 whole number 2 over 5 centimeters. So substituting now for the values, the side a, the first side is 4a. So we know we have the value of a as 9 over 5. So 4 times 9 over 5 will give us 36 over 5, which is 7 number 1 over 5 centimeter. Then side b, which is 3b, which is b is what? 12 over 5. So it will give us 36 over 5, which is also 7 whole number 1 over 5. Then side c, which is the third side, is a plus b plus 3. That's a is 1 number 4 over 5, b is 2 number 2 over 5, then 3. So when you add those numbers, that will give us 6. Then this one will give us 6 over. So I decided to make everything LCM, improper fraction. 9 over 5 plus 12 over 5 plus 3 over 1, LCM 5. So that will give us 9 plus 12 plus 15, 36 over 5. Give us a whole number 1 over 5 centimeters. So all the 3 sides are equal, an equilateral triangle. Your classwork, solve the following equation. 2a plus 3b minus 1 equals to 3a plus b plus 7 equals to a plus b. Second one, 3x squared minus xy equals to 0. 2y minus 5x equals to 1. So we end the class. Thank you for joining this class. See you again. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Adeyemi Alao. See you in the next class.